Welcome back to our channel, Food Explorers. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. Have you ever wondered which foods have an incredibly long shelf life and never seem to expire? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll be unveiling 10 foods that can last indefinitely, ensuring you're always prepared for emergencies or unexpected situations. So, let's dive right in. 10 foods that never expire. Number 1. Honey. Starting off our list, we have a natural sweetener that has been used for millennia: honey. Due to its low moisture content and acidic pH, honey is highly resistant to bacteria and spoilage. Archaeologists have even found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are still perfectly edible. Just make sure to store it in a cool, dry place, and it will last indefinitely. Number 2. Rice. Next up is a staple food for many cultures: rice. When stored in airtight containers in a cool and dry place, rice can remain edible for an exceptionally long time. In fact, researchers have found rice grains in ancient Chinese tombs that are over 4,000 years old and still edible. So, it's no wonder that rice is a go-to food for long-term storage. Number 3. Salt. Salt, an essential ingredient in almost every cuisine, is known for its preservative properties. It effectively inhibits the growth of bacteria and other microorganisms, making it an excellent food preserver. Whether it's table salt or sea salt, as long as it's kept in a moisture-free environment, salt can last indefinitely. Number 4. Sugar. Another pantry staple, sugar, has a remarkably long shelf life. Similar to salt, sugar's ability to draw out moisture makes it inhospitable for bacteria. Properly stored in a dry container, sugar can last indefinitely, remaining just as sweet as the day you bought it. Number 5. Dried beans. Dried beans, such as kidney beans, black beans, and lentils, are excellent sources of protein and fiber. These legumes have a low moisture content, which prevents bacterial growth and allows them to maintain their quality over an extended period. With proper storage in airtight containers, dried beans can last for years without going bad. Please like and subscribe. Number 6. Pure maple syrup. If you have a sweet tooth, you'll be pleased to know that pure maple syrup has an impressive shelf life. Due to its high sugar content and low water activity, it can resist spoilage for a long time. For optimal preservation, store it in a cool place or refrigerate after opening. Number 7. Dried pasta. Pasta, it's a pantry staple for many households. Dried pasta, when stored in airtight containers away from moisture and heat, can last indefinitely. However, over time, its quality might deteriorate, so it's best to consume it within a year or two for the best taste and texture. Number 8. Powdered milk. Powdered milk is a convenient and long-lasting alternative to fresh milk. It is made by removing the moisture content from regular milk. When stored in a cool, dry place, powdered milk can last for a very long time, providing a reliable source of calcium and protein. Number 9. Hardtack. Hardtack is a type of hard bread or biscuit that has been used as a long-lasting food source for centuries, particularly during military campaigns or sea voyages. Made from flour, water, and salt, hardtack can last for years if stored properly. It's a remarkably durable and compact survival food. Number 10. Bouillon Cubes. Last but not least, we have bouillon cubes. These small flavor-packed cubes are widely used in soups and stews. Due to their low moisture content and high salt content, bouillon cubes can last indefinitely when stored in a cool, dry place. They are a great addition to your emergency food supply. And there you have it, food explorers. 10 foods that never expire or have an incredibly long shelf life. From honey to dried beans, these items can be valuable additions to your pantry or emergency food storage. Remember to store them properly in airtight containers, away from moisture, heat, and direct sunlight. Stay prepared, stay safe, and never worry about your food going bad again. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting food explorations. And as always, leave your comments and suggestions down below. Until next time, happy cooking and exploring.